amigos de la cocina de Rodrigo? Hello friends of Rodrigo's Kitchen. It's been a while. I went into a dark hole of not knowing what to eat. No sabía qué comer and I'm still there. Todavía estoy ahí. So today, I'm with the crazy British. Estoy con la británica loca. She likes it. I'm gonna call that. And she's gonna cook. She's gonna veganize something. Ya, va a ser algo vegano. I've never ate this. I've never even heard of this. Nunca he escuchado este plato.
One pot lemony pasta.
Entonces, pasta alimonada en una olla. And Lara now, she's gonna tell us the ingredient.
Okay. Onion.
Una cebolla.
Garlic.
Ajo.
Coconut milk.
Leche de coco.
Some grape tomatoes.
Okay, wait. Grape tomatoes are not the same as.
Cherry tomatoes.
It's the same?
Yeah.
Actually? Yeah, tomato cherry.
Pasta.
Pasta.
Some basil.
Or
basil.
Yeah, basil.
Or basil.
Or basil, which is albahaca. What's the name of that?
A lemon.
Okay. Limón.
Spinach.
And espinaca.
And
Popeye.
Popeye.
You know how we call this
Yeah.
in
Popeye.
Spanish? Popeye.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I like it.
And it's funny because Popeye actually means
Popeye.
pop eye. Popeye doesn't mean shit in Spanish.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
We're just reading the name in English and pronouncing it in Spanish.
That's
ridiculous.
funny.
Yeah.
That is funny, actually.
Yeah.
And vegetable stock.
Yeah. ¿Cómo se llama esto? Caldo de vegetal. Let's get at it.
Okay. So I'm just going to dice some onion.
Cortándolo en cubito. 3
cloves of garlic.
3 dientes de ajo. This is called the British.
Oh, man, I don't know about that.
Okay, it's called the England thing.
There you go.
English.
You got it right.
Yeah. Wow. Bubbly. Or bubbly. Peach. Durazno. Super rica. Let's remember that Lara is lefty.
I know. So my hand's going to block this. I can't.
So we better get it from here.
There we go. I'm just going to cut them in half. This is it's like a super quick, easy, very easy meal.
Yeah, un plato super fácil.
There's no quantity. It's like really however many tomatoes you like. You don't even have to add them. You could put something else instead.
Well, then I get it. You can chop 2 kilos of tomatoes, and if you don't add them, of course it doesn't matter the quantity. What do you mean? Quantity doesn't matter.
But like I said, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 onion. Like tomatoes, I'm just adding them in because I like them. But there isn't like 5 tomatoes or 10 tomatoes.
Oh, yeah.
It's however many.
Yeah. Okay.
However many you want.
Yeah.
Which
Can
I'm
you put
probably.
like 200?
I think this is probably going to be good, right?
Ahora Lara va a empezar a cocinar. Oh! What happened?
Oh shit.
There goes Lara, adding like a liter of oil.
Maybe. Okay.
Olive oil. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. We're not making fries.
So I'm just heating up the oil.
Y ahora vamos a agregar un poquitito gently la cebolla. Interesting technique. Nice. Cooking with Lara.
Okay, so I just added the garlic. Just give that a
Acabo de
couple.
añadir el ajo. I love the smell of garlic. Me encanta
It's good.
el olor del ajo.
Okay, so I'm just going to add some salt.
Añadir un poquitito de sal.
And is this black pepper?
Ya. Pimienta.
Yeah, okay. I'll probably add some more in a minute because I like black pepper. This is just one vegetable stock cube with 2.5 cups of water.
El caldo de vegetal con 2 tazas de agua.
Then we're gonna add
la leche de coco, coconut milk.
And then we're adding the pasta.
Y ahora la pasta.
There you go.
Enough for 2 people.
We're just gonna let the pasta cook into the liquid until nearly it's all gone.
Vamos a dejar que se cocine la pasta hasta que se consuma casi todo el líquido.
10 minutes.
You don't know? Ya, vamos a revisar a los 10 minutos.
Yeah, we'll check it in 10 minutes. So this is going to be the garlic bread, or garlic toast. So it's just regular bread, and in here I pre-mixed just some butter, a vegan margarine with some garlic puree. You know the garlic from the jar? You can use fresh garlic, but I find that it's too strong sometimes for my taste. So it's just the minced garlic that you can get in a jar mixed with...
Que eso es una mezcla de margarina vegana con ajo.
There we go.
Y el pan va a ir en el horno para hacer pan de ajo.
So I'm just going to toast the bread and put some on.
Ya. Va el pan tostado y después se va a poner la salsa con la margarina con ajo ahí.
Okay, so this is, as you can see, the pasta that all the liquid is reduced.
Ah, ya se fue casi todo el líquido. Así que está como cremosa ahora.
I'm going to add the tomatoes.
Tomato, o sea, los tomates.
Add the basil.
La albahaca. Ah.
I'm just going to give this a couple of minutes.
Jugo de limón.
So I'll just get this pips out.
Sacamos las pepitas. Y si estuviéramos en el canal Rodrigo's Indoor Garden, esas pepitas se transformarían en plantas. Those seeds right there, what would happen if we were in the other channel?
You're going to make me a lemon tree.
I'm gonna post it up here if you want to see some of those videos. I'll show you how easy is to grow lemons. Voy a mostrar qué tan fácil es crecer los limones.
This is half. Turning it over. This is nothing fancy. Have you ever done garlic bread this way?
No.
But you've got to watch it because it's easy to burn.
Sí, hay que mirarlo que es muy fácil de que se queme.
And I'm famous for... Okay. This is the lemon juice.
El jugo de limón.
I'm just going to do a little bit of lemon rind.
Ok, vamos a echar un poco de la cáscara de limón.
And then, last ingredient, 3 cups of spinach.
3 tazas de espinaca, el último ingrediente.
Just give that 2 minutes.
2 minutos.
Just seeing where the spinach is at.
That looks pretty good, huh?
You just need to wilt. You want to get all the spinach and tomatoes, and you smell the basil, huh? There you go.
This is how it is. ¿Ah? Vamos a probar aquí. Puta que está caliente. You all know I'm bad with the hot food. But interesting. Yeah, it's pretty good. This is real Rodrigo's kitchen. Kronos, say goodbye. Vamos a comer. See you later. Nos vemos. Chao. Remember, please, to check.
Rodrigo's in the garden.
I'm gonna post a link here in the description. Va a haber un enlace en la descripción. Y gracias, nos vemos, chao.